This isn't a quarantine zone. This could be your home if you had water damage or mold growing behind your walls. If you have water damage in the last 48 hours, there's a good chance something is already growing behind your walls. Trying to dry it yourself or wipe away spots is how small issues turn into major repairs. If you've had a burst pipe, sub pump issue, or storm damage, or notice a musty smell, the real problem usually isn't visible. It's already spreading behind the scenes, and whether it was handled correctly from the start. Water doesn't stay in one place. It moves behind drywall, under flooring, into insulation and framing, and it does it quietly. By the time you see the damage, moisture has already been sitting there, and that's how it connects to mold. Mold only needs three things: moisture, material, and time. Your home already has all three. So when water isn't fully dried, mold can start growing in as little as 7 to 48 hours. And once it's inside your walls and flooring, it spreads without you even realizing it. So here's what actually needs to happen if water damage and mold are handled the right way. We don't guess. We map moisture using professional meters and thermal imaging, so we can see what's wet and not just what looks wet. If there is standing water, it gets removed immediately. The faster it is out, the less damage that is caused. This is where most of the problems start. It's not about drying the surface, it's about drying the structure. We place equipment strategically to pull moisture out of the materials, not just the air. If the source isn't fixed, the problem comes back. If mold is present, we isolate the area first. This prevents the spores from spreading during removal. This is where a lot of mistakes happen. Mold isn't always a surface problem. If materials are contaminated, they have to be removed properly. We don't just spray and hope. We track the drying process until everything is actually dry. When moisture gets left behind, where no one sees it, that's what leads to mold showing up later. We don't just treat what's visible. We follow proper drying remediation standards and document everything. No shortcuts, no guessing. It's not all about removing the water. It's about drying the structure as a whole. And that could take a few days. It takes everywhere from 3 to 5 days on average, but it's worth it. So it's not a bigger problem later. If you're dealing with a water damage or think you might have mold starting in your Omaha home, the first step is scheduling your appointment. We'll show you what's happening, help you with identifying the source, and walk you through your options. No pressure, just clear answers. Subscribe to get behind the scenes content and more cleaning and restoration insights.